see we're backed up to 880, metering lights are on, and then very slow coming off the westbound Bay Bridge.
Irvin Mack on KNBR 680.
You've been lied to. Lied to by corrupt Washington politicians. Selling off the revenue.
And get discounts on travel, car rentals, and more. Outsmarting.
Here's your Econo Compact Family Coupe, ma'am.
There's more to AAA than you think. All for...
Welcome to the San Francisco Giants pregame show.
High five! A magnificent shot that is long gone.
Orange and Black Baseball is sponsored by
your Northern California Honda dealers. For giant savings on every Honda model, visit NorCalHondaDealers.com. Bigelow Tea. Grab a mug and tea proudly. By Looker. Data analytics you can trust. Visit them today at Looker.com. And by Supercuts, official hair salon.
Where, you know what, 2 out of 3 is nice, but 2 out of 3 might not cut it anymore.
Well, I think you're absolutely correct on all of that, but when you're facing Clayton Kershaw on the very first night of a 3-game series, I do think you have to go with the old cliche where you do have to take one game at a time. Now, if you beat him tonight, now you start thinking about having a really, really good series. Maybe it's easier to go by what would you like to see the final record on this road trip be? So they have 10 games on the trip. Would you take 7 and 3?
That's why I didn't go. Dumbasses. Oh, you're all so stupid.
And about a year ago, she started kind of losing interest in the dash camming scene. You know, she uploaded some great captures, and we're all going to miss her. But sometimes people get burned out of what they're doing and have to, do something else. And I respect that decision that she's made to, she's recently decided to give it up. That's the last I heard. That was a couple months ago when she came to my place. She and her sister came over and hung out with me. And I don't anticipate that she'll be getting back into that. So that's, but she's doing just fine as well. She's also busy with work.
Okay.
And she just doesn't have.
What are you doing? That's a compact spot, dude.
I made it down the coast in 17 hours. Picking me a bouquet of dogwood flowers.
Stops back there, dumbass. What the hell?
need some help on the farm. Somebody with a truck and two strong arms, not scared of dirt, and willing to work till the sun goes down. Your mama and me, unconditionally. Your mama and me.
You have reached the voicemail box of
Take you with you is the radio.com app. Yeah! Download it and listen to us anytime, anywhere.
Go to the. I mean, it's hors d'oeuvres and stuff.
What are you? No. Really? You're just the worst.
Giants.org/cars. We'll see you at the ballpark. Now get our 17-point conventional oil change for just $29 with a coupon you can print it. Get you in and out for just $29.
Fucking asshole.
Speedy oil change.
Dude.
I love my job. Schedule your free security review today at bayalarm.com.
2 for 1, huh?
What have you got to lose? ECU 28 CCL 88.
God. It's a solid line for a reason, numbnuts.
We sell 1,000 hot tubs and swim spas this weekend. Alameda County Fairgrounds, Pleasanton. Huge factory incentives, factory rebates. This weekend only. Alameda County Fairgrounds, Pleasanton. We can remove your old hot tub. Free delivery of your new hot tub. Hot tub starting at $2,999. Alameda County Fairgrounds, Pleasanton. Free delivery of your new hot tub. Just relax.
Let's do traffic. I'm sorry. Traffic. Matty Barrel's on the other side.
From the Chilton Auto Body Traffic Desk, we'll start with the San Mateo Bridge update here. Westbound traffic improving, still pretty slow out of Hayward.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Was probably still there, but all this other stuff. Oh, nice. The internet's gonna love you. Not bad. Oh, okay.